Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today video will be about my FabFitFun box. No, my battery is dying. Okay, I have to charge it before I continue. Alrighty guys, so I am back. The camera is charged and we are all set to film this video. So yeah, so as I was saying, FabFitFun is basically a seasonal box that you get every season. So they always have like a bunch of goodies in there for over like $200, and you only pay like 50, no, 40, yeah, 40, 50. Oh my goodness, I forgot how much I paid, guys. But if you guys would like a FabFitFun for this fall, I will leave the link down below in my description box and a code that you guys can use. So let's get started, guys. So it is in this big orange box. It has like trees and bikes and leaves and pumpkins and a person walking the dog. Oh, so one more thing guys, before I open up this box, I already had a sneak peek of it and my mother did too guys, and she took one item out of here. So when I get to that item, I'll let you guys know which one she took, okay? So when you open the box, it's blue inside with like leaves and umbrellas and pumpkin as well. So pretty. And it says grateful for every little thing for 2018. And of course inside it comes with this magazine where it has all the product that you receive and more. Let's just start with the one that my mother took. She took this French press coffee maker by Alfred. I can't show it to you guys, but I'll insert a picture here for you guys to see. She honestly loved this product guys, that she used it every morning to make coffee. And after coffee guys, she makes tea with it. That's how much she loved it, and she said it's so easy to use. So then the next item is this umbrella here, which I love. It is so simple. It's just white and it has like rose and flower on it. And this is by Catherine. Okay, I'm trying to pronounce her last name. So this is by Catherine Malandrino. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. Sorry if you're watching this video. I just love this umbrella because it comes with like a pouch for it. So I'm actually excited to try this out. I believe it's raining on Friday. So I'll let you guys know how I feel about this umbrella. This makes me so happy. These are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Look at it. I have two. I'm probably going to give Babe one because he loved face masks. I saw this in Sephora and I wanted to get one, but I didn't. But I'm so excited that they gave me this. I wonder if it gets bubbly on your face. Okay, so basically it's a mask and the bubble will start to form within 60 seconds. You leave it on for 3 minutes and you remove it and massage it into your face, and then you have to rinse it with water afterwards. It also removes face makeup. That's cool. So I wonder if I have makeup, if I could just put it on because it says removes face makeup. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. The next product here is Skin & Co. Roma. This is the Blue in Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, bio basil, and autumn blossom. So this is basically a shower gel. Let me smell it. It smells like nature, guys. I feel like this is more of like a guy smell, so I'll probably give this to Michael for him to try it out. But it smells really good. So the next product here is by Crown Pro. I actually have one of their brush. It's their kabuki brush and fan brush, and I really love that. And I'm so excited. So I like how it comes with a case and it's black. And when you open it, the brush is all in here. We have like powder brush, blush brush, concealer brush, eyeshadow brush all in here. And this is actually really convenient for like traveling. If you guys don't know, I really like to travel light. The brush are really soft guys, and it does not shred. I hate brushes that shred because like I'd be using a foundation brush and it'd be like shredding on my face. I'd be like, ugh, I have to like pick it one by one. That's what I hate. Next product that I have here guys, I have been trying to buy it, but I'm always like, nah, mine still work. It still works, you know. It's a beauty blender. I had mine for like 4 months, 5 months, because I'm trying to be cheap and save money here guys. Like every day I wash my beauty blender. Not every day, okay, not really, not every day, like every 2 weeks, because I'm like, oh, I could reuse it, you know, but it's like getting old and it's like torn apart a little bit. So thank goodness they gave me another beauty blender. And it's pink. I never had like a pink one before. I can finally throw away the other one. Probably not actually, because it's Halloween month. I'm probably going to use that for like Halloween makeup. So yeah. Alright, so the next product here, I think it's it's a towel, but I don't know, is it like a face towel? And this is from the brand Simple Wisco. I like how they designed that tag right there. So pretty. But yeah, this is a towel, guys. Oh, it comes in 2 sets. I don't know what's this towel for. Maybe for like in the bathroom or like for a kitchen. I'm not sure. I will have to look through the magazine. Hold on, guys. Oh my god, guys, so I was going through the magazine and this is how the Glam Glow bubble sheet mask look like. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. I feel like I want to try it out now and not give the other one to Michael. So it's a Simple Wisco tea towels, and you could use it in the kitchen as well to like wipe your hands or whatever. Alright, that's cool. I'll probably give that one to my mom because she be in the kitchen cooking it up in there. So the next item here, what is this? This is a Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. Basically a exfoliator, and it's pink grapefruit. I love grapefruit, guys. Now I'm actually craving for grapefruit. So the last item here is a Metallis Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. And this is by Touch in Soul. The package is cute. So I guess this is the color that I have. What is this? This is in the color number 2 Penny. So one side is a liquid lipstick and the other one is like a gloss. It has like glitter in it. I don't know if you guys can tell. So pretty. I actually want to try this out. It smells really good actually. It smells like candy. It feels really nice when you apply it to the lip. It's like soft and smooth. It's like a velvety feeling. Do you guys see it? So pretty. It's like your lip but better. It does have like a metallic finish to it. And then let's put this gloss on. Oh, I think the gloss make it more metallic. Interesting. That is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments down below. Let me know if you guys receive a 4 box as well and what's in your 4 box and how do you feel about it. And if it's your first time getting the FabFitFun box, let me know your first experience and how you feel about it. And don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you guys know whenever I post videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.